factor? Yes, I take out a 2. Then I break this into my 2 parentheses, and I have x times x, minus last term is 1 of each sign, and 8 times 3 gives me my 24, but it also gives me my minus 5. So remember, when I don't have that coefficient here, those are quicker and easier to do, because they just have to add. And then can I factor further? No. Oops. Okay, second to last one here. Common factor? No. So I'm going to take this and break this up right away. So 3x times 2x, minus is 1 of each sign, and then 18 has a few options. 18 times 1, 6 times 3, 9 times 2. I'm going to go with 9 and 2. I don't know if that works. So minus 27 plus 4 is a minus 23. So when you get the right number but the wrong sign, what do? Switch the signs, don't switch the numbers. And then we get, oops, positive 27 minus 4 gives me my positive 23. Remember that you're not going to place 2 of the same numbers in the same parentheses. So when I went to choose 9 and 2, I knew not to put 2 with 2. Okay, I also knew not to put 9 with 3 because they have the same factor of 3. Okay, and my last one. Common factor to all 4 terms? No. So 4 terms means look to group them. Since I have 3 squares, here's a square, here's a square, here's a square, 1 is a square. So I'm going to factor by grouping where the minus square has to go by itself. So I do have to rearrange this. So the minus square is at the end. And when I put the trinomial together, the squares go on the outside. So then I factor that trinomial, and it goes to 4x times 4x. My signs are both minus and 1 times 1. So I get 4x minus 1 squared minus 25y squared, which leaves me a difference of squares. In my first spots, 4x minus 1 times 4x minus 1. 25y squared is 5y times 5y. 1 gets a plus, 1 gets a minus. And then can I factor more? No. Okay, when you get to your test, that's kind of the approach you're going to take. Okay? So, in eBackpack,